Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you my marigolds and why I decided to plant them. First of all, marigolds are annuals, which means they will bloom all year. You will have the beauty of marigolds all year long. Unfortunately, they will die in winter, but the fun fact about marigolds is that once you've planted them and they spring, you'll always have marigolds. You don't have to buy any more the next year because the heads, those beautiful heads that you see, once they've bloomed, you just pop them off and they have a bunch of seeds in them for next year. You can just reseed them the next year. Also, marigolds tend to keep away rabbits and other vermin that mess up your vegetable gardens. So they're very beautiful and they serve a purpose. I'm going to be showing you where they started from, what they look like, and now where they are. Why you should plant marigolds. So I actually planted them from seeds. I remember when I just planted it, I was so excited when it started sprouting, and I posted this picture, and many of you thought it was a worm, but no, it was just sprouting then. This was 1 week after, 2 weeks after, and they kept growing. Okay, so this is the update of the marigolds. Look at them. I planted them along the fence, and this is what they look like. Now, what's interesting is they are beautiful, but these ones are really small in comparison because of this big tree here. It gives them shade. As a result, they're still beautiful, but they are not as big as the other ones, which I'm going to show you. Now, these ones have full sunlight. As you can see, I have them between some other versions of tiger lilies. These have already bloomed, but I didn't do this video because I wanted to show you the marigolds. So I waited until they were bloomed. Look at that. Isn't that like a huge bouquet? And as you know, I really like variety, so I mixed them. There are different varieties. You have orange, red, yellow, and they just run along my fence in my backyard. Again, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Another little section of orange and yellow and red, beautifully highlighted. Again, tiger lilies, and then more marigolds. So if you are wondering about a low maintenance plant that will last you for the year, marigolds are the way to go, guys. I have not watered these in 1 whole week or even more. This morning is the first morning I put some water in them, and as you can see, they're not suffering. They are very resilient and self-reliant. Once they've caught in the ground, you don't have to worry about them anymore. So choose marigolds. They're pretty good. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember, stay tuned to our channel. Remember to like and subscribe, and join us next time when we can bring you more awesome tips, tricks, and ideas to your home. Bye bye.